I got this question on TikTok to say, I had asked what is the next video you'd like me to talk about, and someone said I should talk to them about how to get Dangote Refinery. No longer news that Dangote is going IPO with his refinery by, let's say, June, July. And then for you to get on board with this, there are just a few things that you need to do, and I'm just going to show you, one of the things that is very important, because when that IPO drops, the way Nigerians are just, hustling this thing, like someone has told them that if you don't have it, you're not going to make it to heaven. It's just a lot, but of course it's very, very relatable and understandable because of the capacity and the plan that Dangote already has for the refinery, right? So just a very quick one, straight into it. I'm going to show you the video of how to, because yes, you need to get ready. You need to put your money, you need to start saving for the money, put your money aside, because nobody is going to wait for you to put the money aside when it's time to do this investment. And then very importantly is that before it even drops, most times the IPOs do not drop in like your normal investment applications. It's very important that you have yourself signed up or register on the NGX platform. When you're on the NGX platform, then you'll be able to get this firsthand when it comes on board. So quickly, I'll just show you how this.
Now, the first thing you need to do is to ensure that you have your CSCS number and then your CHN number. So with this, you're going to register on the NGX group, so that you will, if you've not gotten this ready, or you don't have it registered, you don't have any account you don't have any CSCS number, just check my video. I've already put you through on how to register on Bamboo, on the Afri-Investor. I mean, there are other platforms that I have this too, and it can really get you ready. So now when you have those numbers ready, just come on here on invest.ngxgroup.com, and then you need to sign up on this platform if you've not done that before. Now, to sign up, you just need to, number one, get started, sign up, create a personal account in a few minutes, verify the account, then you can now start off investing. Now, so let me just show you how to do this. Click on these three lines here. You need to create an account if you've not, or you just sign in if you already have an account. Now click create account. Now when you get to this place, you have to add your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address, your password. You need to create a password, and you need to acknowledge and agree with these terms and conditions. If you've already created, you don't need to do this now, right? Now when you create an account, it's going to send you an OTP. Once it sends you the OTP, you just go to your email address or your phone number, copy that OTP and come and put back in the platform, and then you just go ahead and sign up and create it and register properly, right? The steps are just 3 steps, and it's quite straightforward. Now, if you already had registered on NGX group, because you notice that if you keep using an email address and it just keeps bouncing back, it's going to be giving you an error. It keeps giving you an error. That means there's a possibility that you have already registered before with that email address. So what you need to do now is to do forgot password. If you do forget password, then you now put that email address. It's going to send you an OTP again for you to reactivate and reset your password. So once you input that OTP, then you're going to be prompted to put a new password. Now once you've done that, then you go into your profile. If you have had like an initial offering, sometimes a banker could come and meet you, and maybe you have done maybe when the Zenith Bank IPO came out, all those bank times, maybe you've had like an initial offering that you participated in before. You're going to see it there. Now what you now need to do next is just to click on this brokerage information, right? When you click on the brokerage information, then you click on add brokerage information. Now once you click on the add brokerage information, it's going to ask you here to add your CSCS or your CHN number. You can copy this number from any of these brokerage accounts. If you have signed up before and they've given you a brokerage account, you can copy this number and come and put it here. So maybe you've signed up with Bamboo before, or you signed up with Afri-Investor 2.0, I Invest Niger, Chaka, Truve, all of those platforms. What you just need to do is to copy your CSCS number or your CHN number and come and put it here. Now let's go into Bamboo and let's get this number. When you open Bamboo, now when you sign into your platform, what you just need to do is to click on your profile, then you scroll down, you come to account details and just click on this arrow here. Now you can see your phone number, your name, email address, US stock details, now your CSCS number on NGX, and then your CHN number on NGX. Now you can copy any of them. So I'm just going to copy my CHN number, because the CHN number is more like your BVN, while your CSCS number is more like your account number, right? So I'm going to copy this CHN number, and then I'm going to go and paste it there. So it's not copying, so I'm just going to type it one after the other. And when you're done, just click on continue. So now it says here that the name on the brokerage account is Ikebodu Adobe Sylvia. Click yes to link all your associated brokerage accounts, and I'll say yes, proceed. And with that, you've been able to link your CSCS number to NGX platform. Once you've done this, we just then need to just wait for more information coming.
If you have other questions around this, let me know. But I just basically wanted to show you how to sign up on the NGX platform, which I hope you've been able to get some good knowledge and value from. If you have any questions, let me know. If you've not subscribed, please do. If you've not liked, please do. If you've not shared with your friends, please do. Let's make this money together. We are all waiting for this IPO together. So let's also all get ready. Are you going to be paid in dollars? Because the dividends are going to be paid either in dollars or naira. So which one are you going to be? Are you team dollar or team naira? All right. Another thing is, I don't know if this is going to be a penny stock. So guys, just put your money, because as they're saying, they'll be paying in dollars. I mean, we'll just wait. Bye.